girls, we're going to have a fun time seeing some of the cutest farm animals and spelling their names. Ox. Ox. O-X. Spells what, boys and girls? Ox. What sound does an ox make, boys and girls? Moo! Give me a moo! Duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Spells what? Duck. What sound does a duck make, boys and girls? Quack! Give me a quack, quack, quack! Cow! Cow! C-O-W spells what? Cow! Great job! What sound does a cow make, boys and girls? Moo! Give me a moo! Pig! P-I-G spells what? Pig. What sound does a pig make? Oink! Give me an oink! Hen! Hen! H-E-N spells what? Hen! What sound does a hen make? Cluck! Give me a cluck, cluck, cluck! Dog! Dog! D-O-G spells what? Dog! What sound does a dog make? Woof! Give me a woof! Woof! Goat! Goat! G-O-A-T spells what? Goat. What sound does a goat make? Bah! Give me a bah! Sheep. Sheep. S H E E P spells what? Sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Bah! Give me a bah! Cat. Cat. C-A-T spells what? Cat. What sound does a cat make? Meow. Give me a meow. Boys and girls, we are going to review the farm animals. Ox. O. X. Duck. D. U. C. K. Cow. C. O. W. Pig. P-I-G. Hen. H-E-N. Dog. D-O-G. Goat. G-O-A-T. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Cat. C-A-T. Great job, boys and girls. Great job.